hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am now with plant and animal cells, and now with the part 2. So everyone, are you ready to study the part 2? Okay. So about the tips and means we are going to learn that thing is going to be on some of the day because I have planned. Okay. And the next video is going to come is about our shorts and videos, and some motivation tips will also be given me. Okay, so you all have to see that video so that you understand it, what we are going to teach, etc. Okay, so now let's move to our topic. So planted animals and organelles and structures. So let's go to the topic. Okay, so this was the part 2 we are going to read. So this is the part. So now smooth and no. So it's basically the short form is ER. ER is the short form. You don't have to learn. Smooth is just means something that you can understand like that. So smooth is not something. Then ER you can learn it as simple ER. If you want to learn in detail or some exam it's coming, then you can learn it. And there will be a video of tips also for this. If you all want, you will if there will be at least 5 or 1 comment also, I will make the video for you all for the trick. Okay for it? Okay. So let's go. So what is this? We will understand now. An organelle attached to the nucleus that important in the creation and storage in lipids. So it's an organ which is attached to the nucleus. Okay. So which we saw, as you all saw, it's in the plant one. Okay. So as you all saw in the before one, nucleus and nucleus. Okay, they were two things. So the I part you can see I part. So this was nucleus and nucleus. Okay, it was there. You saw. Yes. So it is attached with that. Okay, attached. You can see it is called endo endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so short form ER. So it is attached. That's important in the, so why it's attached to, because it is important in the creation and for storage. Okay, in lipids. Okay, so it is for smooth ER is found in the both animal and plant. So the beef, it's used in animal also. Okay, so I will show in the animal also after this. It looks like a group of tubes. This is the animal one. Okay, animal one, you can see this is the other. So this one which you saw is the plant one. It's for both. Okay, this is a definition for both, but this is smooth and this is rough. The animal one is rough, that is smooth. Okay, so works with ribosome attached to it to help with the, okay, so it is attached to the ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes attached to it to help with the synthesis. You all know the meaning. If you don't know, you can tell me. If you don't know, I will tell you if you want to know in the comment section. If you comment what is the meaning. And packing of proteins, it's found in both. Okay, rough ER is also found and smoothie is also found in both. Like sheets of bumpy membranes. We saw that attached to the, okay. Okay, simple. Then vacuole, a storage bubble. Okay, it's a circle one. All we have learned till now. This is, I think, more are left. Okay, some more are left. Okay, vacuole, a storage bubble that stores food and nutrition the shell needs to survive. So it's a storage bubble. It's storage where storeroom. So there are storage things also. So it's a storage of food. We keep things over there. So it's storage of things. Storage of food. So you can see yellow and this blue in the plant part. It's in the both. Okay. So they are larger in the plant. This is the plant one. So it's larger in this. It's small in that. And two are there. But if we make it together, still also it will not become as this. Okay. The cell needs to, so in that there is a storage of food which contains nutritions to survive. Okay, the cell to survive. They are found, and you all know it's larger. Then ribosomes. So as you can see, there is a dot dot. Okay, dot dot. You can see the small details are also given. Okay, I'm explaining all. The small organelles that build long chains. So it builds long chains. Okay, if amino acids for the cell. Okay, in the cell, amino acid in the cell. Okay, it builds long chains. It is in the board. It's a protein builder. What is it? Protein builder of the cell. Then peroxin. So it is the yellow part that was which we saw. This yellow part and this is other yellow part. So they all have different thing. This is the yellow part of the plant. This is the yellow part. So one is something else, one is something else, one is something else, one is like that. Okay, some are together also one only. Okay, simple, understood. And then an organelle that digests nutrition. So it digests nutrition and helps break down toxic material. So the toxic material, so it helps to break it down. Okay, it helps it to break it down and digest nutrition which is given by the before organ. Okay, understood. Then let's go. Lexem. Okay, the other one of the animal one. So it helps in digesting and breaking down the food in the cell. Understood? Hmm? In the cell with the help of enzymes that are stored here. So it's stored in the lysosome. Okay, and it helps to the same digest, but nutrition also. So it helps to digest and break down the food in the cell, and they are stored in the ends. Are only found They are only found in the animal one. Okay, they are only found in the animal one. Understood now? If you all want to know in detail, you can tell me. I will tell you in detail also sometimes. Then microtubules. Okay, it helps to provide structure to these. So there are many like this. They are also given in detail. So it helps to provide structure to the cell and also helps with the cell division. It also helps in the cell division. Understood now? Microtubes are only found in the animal cell. So most of the things are found in plants also. So it becomes equal balance. Okay. Then centrioles. So this is only in the animal one. So it helps the cell divide during. So there are two parts of this. So meiosis and meiosis. So if you want to know each and everything in detail, I will make a video for that. If you want, 10 people should at least tell about that, because it will be a very, we have to make especially for that. So that's why I have to take time. So that's okay. So it is made up of multiple microtubules. Okay, and emitters, and so there are two parts. Okay, the cell which the cell helps to divide. Okay, it helps the cell to divide, so it helps to, yeah, so suppose this so I break it, so then it divides in this two part. Understood now? Let's go ahead. That's all of them, so all of them are there. Here's a quick tip: the difference between cell. Okay, this is, I made a chart also for you all to let it be easy. So plant cell have cell wall. Okay, so it has cell wall, and plant cell have larger vacuoles. So this is the main difference of them. And animals and cell don't have a cell wall, so there is no inside layer of the cell wall. Okay, the outer layer is only there. Animal cell have centrophs, which divides in micro, that I told you, that thing. Okay, then these are the which we I used. So bye friends, do learn, like, share and subscribe. And this was a little long video because I was telling you some more things extra. Bye bye.